Hey, this is another video to tell you that if you feel lost, don't give up. Please don't. I know because I've been through a lot giving up on the things that I wanted. But when you put like your effort and all your heart on the things that you want to do, it's a matter of time that it will be bloom and grow. I'm talking not only in the things that you want to do, like in the physical world. So I'm talking about things in the mind, change your behaviors, change how you see the world, change everything. Well, the thing that you want to change, of course, not everything, but you know my point as well. So, well, if you don't know, ask me. So I'm Unity Profusion, and I'm a music producer. I really like to help people through the life, because we are all here. And if I have good things to tell you, I will tell you because I care. I care. Oh, this is okay. Because I care. But what I want to tell you is if you are in a position that you're not good, don't worry. Everything that if you see is everything about your perception of things. If you think that is bad, that will turn you down. But if you think like in a positive way, like, oh, this is redirecting me. Think about before and the things that you were doing and the things that you were so down and then you overcome the situation. Because we as a human, we learn through these kind of hard times. But also you can learn by experience of others that transit things. So, I've been depressed, sad, stressed, with anxiety, and I overcome all the situation. Why? Because I wanted to. No one will give me the power. I have the power inside, you have the power inside, and you have the powers to overcome. But you need to want to feel good. It's nothing like other people can tell you, but if you are watching this, it's because of course you want. And I will give you tools. I always say, connect with yourself, meditate. Meditation helped me like, I'm not doing this way if I don't have meditation, in my life. Doing expos as well. Doing things that push your energy out. Because sometimes we have a lot of anxiety if you are not moving so much or whatever. Everything is connected and everything is good if you are doing things for you. So that's my advice as well. But please don't give up. Because if you give up, you will find yourself. I want you to think like this. Do you want to wake up like with, I don't know, 15 years? Sorry if you have this. There is no age to start things today. But like you want to wake up or in your last day of life or whatever, like doing, oh man, I really wanted to do this, but I never tried. Why not? Try it. All people, but if you are watching this, I don't think you are one of those people, but because most of the people, they are thinking in other people, oh, how they will see me, how they will tell me this and this. You know what? Don't care about that. Even so, if you want to start something, you don't need to start showing it to the person that you know. Actually, you don't need, because you have to find your audience or your buyers or whatever. And most of the times, and not most, I mean, everything is people that don't know you. but they will really know you because you will put yourself out. I mean, I'm not saying like, and I don't know if you don't like to record yourself or whatever, but you get my idea. So don't waste the time. I mean, this is not like a way to say don't waste your time, but because that things guide you to this you, and now you are trying to feel good, do things to make good things, because when you do things that make you feel good and you love yourself, you can give to others. And what is more beautiful thing from someone if they can help others with the knowledge that they have. You know what I mean? I think this is the best thing to do when you can give, and of course receive, because when you give, you receive. Maybe if you don't see in the present or whatever, but you will always receive. But I promise all that. And yeah, I really want you to start doing things for you to feel good. I like this. Because that will be good for you, not for someone there. It will be good for you, and when you are good in you are good for all the rest of the world, and everything is connected. I'm listening music. I don't know what it's playing right now. Okay, don't worry. I will better listen to music. I mean, I'm a music producer, and that's why I call like this kind of video podcast, where I have like Melodic Minds, because everything is a song, Everything starts with it is in the Bible as well, and the power of the words, the sounds, and the vibration, and the frequency. We are all these. Everything is vibrating in different frequencies. I talk about that in my other videos. You can check about, and I can make another longer about explaining about the frequencies and the sounds and how those can make you relax. And if you don't know how to start meditating or whatever, you can always use guided meditation. I have my guided meditation here, which on the music group, so I make the sounds binaural beats to relax your brain, to get these delta waves that are close to go to sleep, and in that case, that they can help you to reprogram yourself, because our mind is like a computer, but better than a computer. So, I mean, I don't want you to listen. Actually, I want you to prove it for your own. Do any meditation. I have meditation for even you can heal yourself with a meditation, yes. And I can explain, if you want me to explain why, I have a video, but I can make another video and explain better. If you have any kind of request or ask me, I would really love to answer, maybe with another video or whatever. But please, do everything that will make you feel good. Do meditations, listen music, dance. In the time that you have free time, try to invest that time for, as I say, like learning, doing things that make you feel good, relax, and try to overcome the fears that you have inside. And you can do it by meditation as well, as I am saying. So if you want like a coaching with me, you can request. I will be glad to help you. Or if you want a guided meditation, a specific meditation as well, I will make it. I will try to help you, because that is what we do in human, like society. We try to, if you want to see other, I don't think so, if very much, no, but if you want to see in a different way the whole world is your always, your vision. and how your vision is, you will always find proofs about this. So, you want to see things good or bad? It depends on you, not on me, really. So, anyways, I know if you are watching this, it's because you are in the right path. I mean, there is no right or wrong, but in the path of healing and all these things that also I am in. It's like we never end. You know, we are. It's about evolution. We are learning, right? We are doing things. Okay. I hope that this video helped you to remember that you are the one in control and that you have the power inside. So if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe, to share to someone that maybe it's feeling that this message will help them, to share. Comment something. I would love to reply your comments, and see you next. Have a beautiful night, day, and see you soon. And bye bye.